is a typical of Sundanese food, comes from West Java. With its savory, sour, sweet and spicy flavor, makes this dish become one of the most favorite Indonesian cuisine. It's commonly used to cooking with fish and vegetables. Its unique flavor is a combination from turmeric, chili and also some other spices, and sometimes people add coconut milk to raise up the flavor. Now, we will cook fish pesmol, another authentic Indonesian cuisine. What we need here:
1 kilograms of fish and 60 grams of yellow basic seasoning.
we also need some salt, sugar, lemongrass, and also some bay leaves. And to add more heat level, we can use chili padi, but it's only optional. Can we start now?
Okay.
First, we need to fry the fish. Okay. Wait with the more until the oil heat up. Ready? Then in goes the fish. Let me help you. We fry the fish until it's golden brown and then drain well. Now, we put the vegetable oil into our wok. And then we can turn on the heat. It's already done. We are stir frying our lemongrass and bay leaves. Okay. We keep stirring until it's fragrant. Fried fish that we have done earlier. Stir it up and cook until the liquids are evaporated and the seasoning absorbed well. Then, our IsGolden yellow basic seasoning is not only for cooking for pesmol, also it can be cooked for Indonesian fried chicken or maybe fish soup, or maybe you can mix it with vegetables. I like it a little bit spicy, so I will add this, or maybe one more. The liquid is already reduced, and I think it is ready to serve. Okay?
Okay.
Are we done?
Yes.
Whoa, fish pesmol. Don't forget my chili over there. This is our fish pesmol with IsGolden yellow basic seasoning. Thank you for watching.